I'm often asked by my nurse practitioners and PAs what's the best way to tie in a chest tube. There are many ways to do this, and we have all been taught variations, such as shown here in this illustration, where the suture is crisscrossed up and down the tube. I find this method to be subject to loosening suture in the tube, then either falling out or sliding back and forth. So we've come up with a simpler method we call the Big S, and we'd like to illustrate this here. The Big S is based on a marine knot called the Clove Hitch. This knot is used to secure boats to pilings, and it is useful because it is easy and quick to tie and it doesn't slip. Shown here is a not very nautical looking guy tying a clove hitch. One can see that it's simple and quick to tie, as well as very secure and doesn't slip. Let me show you a simple way to apply this powerful knot to securing your medical tubes and drains. Pretend the two rubber bands are your chest drain and that you have already placed and tied your stitch to the skin. First, arrange the tails of your stitch like the letter S as shown. Next, place 2 fingers under the loop and pull the end through. Do the same with the other loop and the other hand. Snug it down by pulling it in both directions. Notice how it holds the rubber bands approximated. Always finalize with several good square knots. Here's an example now using suture. Place your securing stitch in the skin. Never tie it down too tightly to avoid it cutting through. Again, arrange the ends into an S shape. Now put your 2 fingers under the loop and pull the end through. Do the same with the other hand on the other side. You now have a modified clove hitch which will hold snug to the tube while you finish tying your square knots. You can see a nice indentation in the tube showing that the tube is secure and will not slip. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this helpful on your busy days.